Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm glad you are here today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. In this video, I will unbox the Rouge Hermes lipsticks with some swatches. Let's open the box. I got this last week. It was hard to open, so I opened this part first, but I haven't seen the inside. Let's take a look at the inside. This is how it is inside. And the same for this box. Okay, I ordered 3 lipsticks in separate orders, so it comes in separate boxes. So I had envelope in the bottom. Set your receipt. This is my first time order from Hermes website, so didn't know what to expect. Let's take a look inside. Okay, this is how it is. I ordered this one first, and then I made another order the next day. So let's open this one first. More than a month ago, my estate told me the store may be reopened in May. I couldn't wait, went online and purchased these. I didn't expect it to take this long. They were delivered a month after I ordered from Hermes website. This is Rouge Hermes Rose Inoui number 27 matte. It is boxed like a bag. Also protected in a canvas pouch, like a Birkin or a Kelly bag. It's embossed with logo and the carriage. It has magnetic closure. This black area has matte finish for matte lipstick. And you can see here it has a pointed shape for more precise finish. These are made in Italy. The packaging is so sleek, very exquisite. This is one of the limited edition. What do you think? I think this color looks pretty good for light skin tone, especially for spring and summer. Let's do some swatch. How lovely. The color looks stunning. It goes on skin so smooth. Let's go to the next order. I wish that I could go to Hermes store to try out all the lipsticks color from Rouge Hermes beauty line. This one is Rouge Hermes Violet Insense number 94 satin. So for the limited one, they have one matte finish and 2 satin finish. This is one of the satin finish. This is a statement piece. It has blue, red, and white color. I love it. This one is very impressive. It has very impressive tone. Look at this. I think this color is gonna be very beautiful for fall or winter. It's currently match my shirt right now. And let me do the swatch for this one. What a striking color. Very appealing for a special occasion. The texture is very creamy. So chic. From the packaging to the lipstick itself, very glamorous. This is Rouge Hermes Rose Boise, number 48 in matte finish. This lipstick has the gold, black, and white cover. It has magnetic closer. If you can see here, it has a matte cover right here that presents the matte finish of the lipstick. And when with the matte lipstick, it has a pointy shape for more precise finish. This is very natural look. It feels very soft, like velvety. It has a scent of like flower. Very nice. Let me try this one on. I love this neutral color with the matte finish. The quality is incredible. I think all the colors are stunning. Although the price is high, you can't go wrong with its gorgeous look. This luxury brand make all the details worth the price. Packaging, the scent, the texture, the color, the formula, all worth it. This lipstick can come apart like this, so we can do the refill. The packaging is refillable. It is $42. Beside the iconic Birkin and Kelly bags, Hermes finally launched a new lipstick line on March 4, 2020. There are 24 shades of lipsticks, a lip balm, a lip brush, a lip pencil, and 3 limited edition shades for spring collection. There are 10 matte finish and 14 satin finish. The 24 shades of lipsticks are $67 each, and the limited edition lipsticks are $72 each. I'm glad that I could get these 3 Rouge Hermes lipsticks, especially the 2 limited edition from Spring Collection 2020. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will get notified every time I upload the video, which will be every week. Have a fabulous day, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye now.